Today we will have a short video on interview from the interviewer's mirror. मतलब आज जो हम वीडियो करेंगे उसमें इस पे ही चर्चा होगा कि आप जब एक इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो, इंटरव्यूअर आपका अपोजिट में जो बैठा हुआ है, हाउ इज ही इवैल्यूएटिंग यू, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स ही एज एन इंटरव्यूअर इज लुकिंग फ्रॉम यू. So if you are clear that what are the expectations of an interviewer from your end, then probably your chances of success in the interview becomes higher. When we give any interview, the interview process happens and the interviewer evaluates us on two parameters. One is industry dependent and the other is industry independent. If I come to the industry dependent part, that means suppose you are giving an interview for the post of a air hostess. So you need to know what are the qualities one need to have to become an air hostess. Or if you are appearing for the interview for a aviation industry in the position of a ground staff or ticketing, you need to be clear about the job roles of that particular job. Similarly, someone who is preparing himself for the interview in retail, he or she needs to know about what is customer service, what is visual merchandising, what is store management, how to handle cash and the different online platforms of receiving payment and so on. This is one part which is industry dependent. मतलब ये जो नॉलेज है ना, एक इंडस्ट्री का अलग अलग का एक्सपेक्टेशंस होता है. मान लो कोई जो रिटेल में काम करेगा उसका जो सोफिस्टिकेशन चाहिए, और कोई जो ऑटोमोबाइल सेक्टर में कार मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और कार सर्विसिंग में काम करेगा, या मोबाइल इंडस्ट्री में मोबाइल रिपेयरिंग में काम करेगा, there the interviewer from that candidate will be looking for more technical skills rather than sophistication skills. So this is the industry dependent part. And the other part which happens is the industry independent part. That means whenever you are giving any interview, irrespective of the position, be it technical, be it official, be it marketing, be it sales, you need to know how to present yourself in the interview board. You need to know basic English communication. You need to know the basic etiquettes, virtual etiquettes, soft skills, grooming, personality, and how you carry yourself. So the interviewer will be asking you questions in two parameters. One is on the technical part related to the job, and the other is on the soft skill part, your personality and how you carry yourself. Now students, friends, different interviewers have different style. Someone may feel that the technical part is more important. He or she may start with the technical part first. If he is convinced, then she moves on to the non-technical or the industry independent part, the grooming part. And some interviewer may feel, no, the industry independent part is more important. He or she may start with the industry independent part, your soft skills part, grooming part, and if he or she is satisfied, then they move into the technical part. So how the interview will start is absolutely on the prerogative of the interviewer. मतलब इंटरव्यूअर ये तय करेंगे आपको देख के, आपको CV देख के, कैसे आपका इंटरव्यू लेना है. For a fresh candidate, usually it starts with the industry independent or the soft skill part. And for an experienced candidate, usually it starts more with the core skill part, because there we are evaluating the experience of the candidate, and on the merit of his experience, he or she may be given the job offer. Suppose you are giving the interview for a retail sales associate, and the interviewer is convinced that yes, you know cash handling, you know visual merchandising, you can handle a customer, at the same time your communication skills and grooming is fine, you are offered the position in a retail industry. Suppose you are appearing for the job of a medical representative. Once the interviewer is convinced that yes, you know what is the job of a medical representative, how to talk with the doctor, how to convince the chemist, at the same time you have that smartness, presence of mind, personality, so that once you go in front of the doctor, he feels soothing and he is comfortable to talk with you, you are offered the position of a medical representative. So students, friends, prepare yourself both on the technical part, that is the industry dependent part, and on your grooming part, that is the industry independent part, which will help you to crack interviews the way today things are happening. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.